Hello and welcome to Anritsu. AI data centers are pushing the limits of boundaries, and as we talk more and more about higher data rates, jumping from 224 gigabit per second per lane to 448 gigabit per second per lane, copper is reaching the limits. And that's why more and more data centers are moving towards co-packaged optics, which have PICs and EICs. A major part of these PICs and co-packaged optics modules is basically the electro-optical modulators and the high-speed photodetectors. We are proud to announce that this time at OFC in Los Angeles at booth number 2011, Anritsu will be displaying the world's first high-speed photodetector that can cover 1310 and 1550 nanometers with one module. Combine this with a electro-optical modulator and a VNA that goes up to 145 gigahertz, you are ready to test your extremely high-speed co-packaged optic devices. Whether it's TOSA, ROSA, BOSA or COSA, you have the right tool to measure all your optoelectronic devices. Please visit our booth number 2011, and we'll be more than happy to showcase you a demonstration of this high-speed photodetector, the only one in the world that can cover right up to 145 gigahertz in a single sweep. Thank you so much.